In a quiet room of silver light, a hidden truth comes into sight. The image shows what eyes can't see, a deeper look at what might be. Through bones and shadows, lines appear, revealing things once unclear. A glance beyond the outer frame, to find the source, to call it by name. Beneath the surface where the secrets lie, where the quiet truths refuse to hide. A deeper vision shows the way to heal what's dim, to clear the gray. Beneath the surface we learn to see the core of things that set us free. The picture glows with subtle tone, revealing what was never shown. A map of structure strong and frail, a quiet story in each detail. It calls for care, a steady mind, to trace the patterns left behind. And with this view the heart can find a path to balance redefined. Beneath the surface where the secrets lie, where the quiet truths refuse to hide. A deeper vision